Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to download and install AOL app on your phone. Before starting today's tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Now, to download and install AOL app on your phone, first of all, tap open Play Store app on your phone. On the top, you can see a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type AOL and press the search button. You are now redirected to the page from where you can download and install AOL app. On the top right corner, you can see an install button. Tap on the install button. Your download process will shortly get started. AOL is a single platform where you can get trending news, send mails, get weather reports, send videos, etc. The download process is about to be completed and the installation process has begun. AOL app has been successfully installed in your phone. Now click on the open button on the top right corner. I hope this video helped to learn how to download and install AOL app on your phone.